This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Dropbox. Now Dropbox is a cloud file sharing and storage company where you can store your file and share for your business, and it is quite good. I quite use this, and if you have used it obviously you would know, but if you have not tried it you can try it. They have 30 days free trial. Okay, it is founded by Drew Houston, and they have a co-founder whose name is Arash Fadusk. Now, the story goes on like this, as you can see in the infographic, that Drew Houston graduated a degree in computer science, and then he was working for startups which include Bit9 and Accolade, and it was launched by accident when he forgot USB drive. So he thought, okay, why don't we put that on the cloud? Then he met Arash, who is the co-founder and also an MIT dropout. Then the Dropbox was actually launched in June 2007, headquartered in San Francisco, California. And also, interestingly, they have rejected the buying offer from Steve Jobs at some stage, and because they wanted to create a very big company. Now, in here, very interestingly, it says Steve Jobs wanted to destroy Dropbox. That is quite interesting. I'm not sure why. However, they have some issues in China. It was unblocked in 2014 and then blocked again in June 2014. So why I am relating this to all these information is that the hurdles and the struggles a company has to go through, and how during these stages they would have done something, or they have come up with something which we are now actually talking about, which is growth hacking. Okay, Dropbox is now extensively available in 19 languages. That is really, really huge, and 200 countries. I mean, you can imagine how big that can be. It has also been called one of the 20 best startups of Silicon Valley, and 1 billion files saved every day. That is, again, a very huge number. And it has 45 million users in 175 countries. Okay, so this is more or less about how Dropbox has started. In the next video, interestingly, we are going to talk about the hack which they have actually implemented, and they have worked on a very specific referral system, which I will be talking about in the next video. Thanks for joining. Bye for now.